Hello everybody, this is Elad Moradio from Elad Reviews, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick review about Infinite Hosting. We'll see what is exactly Infinite Hosting. We are going to go over it. You will see the exact dashboard that you can get, all the upsells. We'll see also the sales page, and I'm going to show you also all the bonuses that you can get if you invite Infinite Hosting with my link. So if all of this interests you, let's get started with the video. So right now you are watching my computer, my screen, and this is the members area, the dashboard of Infinite Hosting. If you buy Infinite Hosting, this is the same dashboard that will be to you. This is the same access if you are buy Infinite Hosting. From here you can create all the website and all the things, the file manager, the scripts installs, the user, the virtual server, and I'm going to go over it in a few minutes, but for start, let's see what is exactly Infinite Hosting. So Infinite Hosting is actually a website hosting, and what you can do with it, you can install unlimited website with very high speed servers with a low downtime, and it's a powerful solution, hosting solution, if you are having a lot of website, because all of what you can get is all of the hosting is unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains, unlimited hosting, all unlimited, and you can get it for only one-time price. It's cost you $50, and what you can get is all unlimited. So if I can compare it to other website hosting around the world, so let's take Bluehost or HostGator or SiteGround, you need to pay for them monthly. Every single month you need to pay, and it's also not unlimited, so you can get only for one website $10 to $20 per day, and here you need to only pay once and you get all unlimited hosting. So it's really powerful, and it's a really good solution if you need an hosting for your website, and only if you having one website it's good for you, because you need to pay one time and not for a long time, and every single month you need to pay one time and you can get an hosting for your website. You can do it with it a lot of things. If you can sell website to other people and host it on your server. You can sell website to people on Fiverr, on Upwork. You can host all your website with one single one-time payment. So this is basically what is Infinite Hosting, powerful hosting solution. And right now I'm going to show you all the bonuses that you can get if you will buy Infinite Hosting with my link. So what you are seeing right now, this is my bonus page. If you want to go to this bonus page, what you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. You will find the link and you will go to this page. When you're clicking on one of these green buttons, you will go over to Infinite Hosting sales page, and when you buy it you will get also all the bonuses. So bonus number one is increase your website speed by 200%. So Infinite Hosting comes with a really good and really fast servers, but when you, let's say, install a WordPress server and add a lot of plugins, it can do to your website be a little bit slower. And what you will get in bonus number one is a WordPress plugin that you can install on your WordPress website, and it will increase your website speed. It will optimize all the settings for the maximum speed, so your customers or your people that coming to your website not need to wait a long time. in just a few clicks of a button, you install a WordPress plugin, and your website will be a lot more speedier. So this is bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is write headlines then convert 10x better. So this is also a WordPress plugin. You need to install it in your WordPress website and it will allow you to create a really good headlines for your post, for your landing page. And this is something that's really good. You just need to type all the keywords in the plugin and it will create you really good headlines that convert, that make you more sales and more happy customers and people that want to spend their money on your products. Bonus number 3 is create money making SEO WordPress page. So with this bonus you can install and plug in to your WordPress website that will install with Infinite Hosting. And then when you are creating some page, you will have all the option to get an optimization for your page that you will get a good SEO. So SEO is ranking on Google. So if you are searching for something in Google and your website will be in 2 or the 3rd page, people will not go to your website, you will not make any money and you will not get any customer. But if you are getting a good SEO on your website, your page will be higher in Google in the search and you will get more people that coming to your own website. So this is bonus number 3. And bonus number 4 is start building your buyers email list to 10x profit. So this is something that's really powerful when you are an internet marketer. If you are having a store, if you are a business owner, it's always good to get a good email list. So it's actually like a free traffic source. You are collecting emails with your website and then you can send an email in any time that you want, and from a good email that you are sending you can make a lot of money. So this is always good to building an email list, something that's really powerful and really good solution for a long-term business. This is bonus number 4. And bonus number 5 is you are getting an access to all vendors bonuses. All the bonuses that vendor give me to give to you, you will get. So let's see what is the vendor bonuses. So this is the vendor bonuses. Number 1 is start your own hosting company PLR article package. So if you are reading this, congratulations, you are well on your way to starting a widely successful internet business in website hosting. Anybody has a website these days, from production artists to babysitters. Competitive web hosting services are among the fastest growing online businesses around the globe. Bonus number 2 from the vendor bonuses is internet marketing for complete beginners. Bonus number 3 is WordPress automation secrets. Bonus number 4 is web development secrets, and bonus number 5 is simple affiliate success. So you are getting all these 5 bonuses with my bonuses, with all my bonuses, if you are buying Infinite Hosting with my affiliate link. So to buy it, like I said, it's really simple. All you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. You will get to this page. You just need to click on one of this green button where it say click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and you will go over to Infinite Hosting sales page. So let's see how the sales page look like, and let's go over all the prices. So the prices of Infinite Hosting is like this. The front end, all the hosting on the unlimited hosting is costs you only $50. It's one-time payment. If you need a pro hosting, it's an upgrade. It costs you $27. OTO number 2 is done for you template club. Number 3 is Infinite Hosting Agency. It costs you $67. One time number 4 is done for you setup for $97. Unlimited traffic for $197, gold membership for $27, and a reseller package that you can sell Infinite Hosting and get all the profits costs you $97. This is all the upsells that you can get also if you buy Infinite Hosting, and you can go over them. If you buy it, you will having a chance to buy all these one-time offers, all these upsells. So after you click on one of these green button, you will move to here. This is the sales page of Infinite Hosting. From here you can buy Infinite Hosting. So in the headline, what you can see, discover a one-time fee powerful hosting solution to host all your website with high-speed servers, low downtime, and save up to $1,000 per year. Stop wasting your earned money on expensive subscription-based hosting when you can host unlimited website domains on ultra-fast servers with one-time fee only. So here you can read all the, you can go over it in your in your time. You can see some testimonials that people make with the website that's created with Infinite Hosting, some comparing to other website to other company that also selling an hosting, some testimonials that from people that try it, and you can go over it. Just click on the link and you can read it, all the description and all the things that also you can get with Infinite Hosting, all the comparison, and here also all the bonuses that you can get from the vendor. So you just need to click on one of these button on this page. Click here for an instant access. You need to pay, and that you will get an access for Infinite Hosting. Let's see how the Infinite Hosting looks like. So this is the dashboard. After you will buy Infinite Hosting, you will get an access to this dashboard, and from here you are creating all your website, all the domains. You can install WordPress. Here you can do all the things. So the first thing you need to do is to create a virtual server. This is the actual website, is based on a virtual server. You need to type your domain name, some description, and just create a server. After that you can go to edit, and here is all the configuration, all the username and the password to your website, the FTP, all the things. Here you can also adding some users if you having some company. If you are selling your website to other people, you can create them account, a different account to the virtual server. Here you can also adding an email list to your, you can create a mail based on your website. So this is something that really nice. You have an email by your domain name. Is the database, you not to go over it. Here is the install scripts. So from here you can, in one time click, you can install WordPress and all the things that you need for your website. You just need to click like on the available scripts, and here you can see all the plugins that you can install in one click. You don't need to try to find a guide or something on how to install a website. You just click on the WordPress and it will install you on your website. Here's the file manager. If you want to upload some files to your hosting, you can also do it from here. And there's all the administration options if you want to change the password for your dashboard or something like this. And here is the server configuration. You need to change the DNS on your website to the DNS records of the Infinite Hosting dashboard that your domain will point to the Infinite Hosting record, so that your domain will show on your the hosting will point to your domain. And this is it. This is really nice and easy. I know it's look a bit confusing, but after you will learn how to use it and learn all the things, I think it will be 2 to 3 days after you learn all the features on how to install it correctly. And you can also get a lot of support that you can email the product vendors, and they will guide you how to exactly install all the website if you don't know anything. But after you learn all of it, it will be a lot more easier to you, and I think you will get a lot of success. You can install actually unlimited website, and it's cost you only $50. So this is exactly what you will get if you will buy Infinite Hosting. This is the same dashboard that will be to you. And with this I will end this video. If you want to buy Infinite Hosting, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. You will go to this page. This is my bonus page, and after you on this page, you just need to click on the green button, and you will go to the search page, and you can buy Infinite Hosting. You are also getting all my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is increase your website speed by 200%. Bonus number 2 is write headlines that convert 10x better. Bonus number 3 is create money making SEO WordPress pages. Bonus number 4 is start building your buyer email list to 10x profits. And bonus number 5 is access to all vendor bonuses. So all of these bonuses and all the vendor bonuses you can get in just one-time payment, in one-time $50 payment. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, type on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see another reviews. My name is Elad Murad. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.